Hello, today we are going to study the filter. First we are going to study the low pass filter, then high pass, then band reject, band pass, then band reject filter. Now what happen in low pass means whatever the low frequency, if this is your F and this is your gain, now low frequency signal is being passed over here. So this is called low pass filter. In high pass what happens, only the higher frequency get passed. Higher, this is your frequency, this high frequency will be passing, that is why it is called high pass filter. Band pass filter means only a certain range of frequency. See the FH1, this FH2, then this band of frequency will be passing. So this is called a band pass filter. Means band reject filter means only it will be rejecting a certain band of frequency. This if is FH1, this is FH2, this range of frequency it will be rejecting. So these are termed as band low pass, high pass, and this is your band pass, and your this is band reject filter. So these are the explaining one by one. Now taking the low pass filter. Now we are constructing low pass filter with R and C. This is simple network. This is your V0 and this is V in I am going. This is RL and CL. L stand for low pass filter, just for the knowing. Now if I calculate V0, V0 will be just a potential divider 1 by SCL by RL plus 1 by SCL is equal to V0. Now what will be the value? 1 by SCR plus 1. Now this is your V in, this is your V out. Now if you see, now if I put S is equal to 0, then V0 will be, if I put S is equal to 0, V0 will be, if I am putting this will be 0, V0 will be V. Means at low frequency, all the output what we are getting, whatever the input we are having, same output we are getting. As we increase our, suppose S is equal to infinity, what will be the output? If I put S is equal to infinity here, then 1 by infinity plus 1 into V in, it is going to give me 0. Means at high frequency we see that there is no output. Means we can say that at low frequency signal is being transmitted, and at high frequency we have something called 0. Now we will be seeing in between. Now V0 we have 1 by SCR plus 1 into V in. Now suppose I am putting S is equal to 1 by CR, some value. This is time constant of circuit. Now if I put S is equal to 1 by CR, then this will be S into 1 by CR. This is your this is your 1 by CR into CR plus 1 into V in. Now CR will be cut. It is 1 plus 1 by 2 into V in. V naught is equal to 0.5 in. Means at S is equal to 1 by CR, means, or this is S is nothing but your omega is equal to 1 by CR, we are getting half. Is whatever the V in we are getting at this value. Suppose this is your F is equal to 1 by CR, we are getting half of the magnitude V0 by 2. This is your V0, and as S will be increasing, now we are increasing S greater than 1 by CR. Now our magnitude will go on decreasing. So this is your low pass filter, and low pass filter will be up to this frequency. This is called cutoff frequency. This is called cutoff frequency. At cutoff frequency what happens, our magnitude gets half, or if you take in dB, there is 3 dB loss. So if I make this diagram, then if this is your FC, then this is the point where our magnitude get reduced to half, or it got reduced by 3 dB frequency, 3 dB. So this is your low pass filter. Now simply high pass filter, if I make the high pass filter, it can be again made with the CR combination. Now this is your CR. Initially we have taken the output across the capacitor for the low pass, and for the high pass we are taking the output across the resistance. Now this is your CR. What will be V0? R by, this is just a potential divisor, R plus 1 by SC into V in. Now R by SCR plus 1, and this is your SCR plus 1. Now V0 is equal to V in. Now if I put S is equal to 0 here, now if I put S is equal to 0, now if I put limit S tending to 0, then our output will be 0. Means at low frequency there is no output, there is no output. Now if I put S is equal to infinity, now let me put S is equal to infinity. Now infinity by infinity, this is your L'Hopital's theorem. If you apply, now this will be CR plus CR. Now if you see, this is 1, means it is supplying at high frequency. So we can say, from here we can say, there is at high frequency there is output, at low frequency there is no output. Now in this equation only we are going to put S is equal to 1 by CR, then V0 will be 1 by CR into CR, 1 by CR into CR plus 1. Now this will got to 1, this is 1, and 1 by 1 plus 1 V in. So V0 will be 0.5 V in. Means at some frequency that at is equal to omega, means at omega is equal to 1 by CR, means something here the magnitude is, suppose the magnitude is half. This is your magnitude where V0 by 2, and this is your magnitude your V0 by 2, or in dB it is, we can say 3 dB loss, and this is your frequency, and this is your magnitude graph. Now this is your high pass filter. Now we need to design 2 more filter, the band stop, and now let's take another sheet. Now we need to draw the band pass filter. Now if you see the band pass filter, band pass filter is nothing, band pass filter is of this kind, and this will be made from 2 curve. If I take a low pass filter and a high pass filter, if this is your FC for low pass filter and this is your FC for high pass filter, and if I sum these two, if I somehow sum these two, then the common of these 2 curve, what we are going to get, this is the curve that we are going to get it, and having this is as a FCH and this is as a FCL. So if we connect in series cascade, series the low pass and high pass, then we are going to get band pass filter. Now what was our low pass filter? Now low pass filter was R and C. Now I am connecting in series to the high pass. So this will give me, and this is your, now this circuit is your low pass filter, and this is your nothing but your high pass filter. And one point we need to keep here, keep in point that FCH must be lower than FCL. Means if this is your CH and RH for high pass, and this is your RL and CL, it means here if it is given that FCH must be less than FCL, it means that F1 by CHRH must be less than 1 by RL and CL. This point we need to consider, and if you connect these two in series, then you are going to get the band pass filter. Now it's time to band stop filter. Now what is the band stop filter? band stop filter is nothing but this is your FCL and this is your FCH. Now from here it can be seen that this is one portion is your low pass filter and another portion is your high pass filter. If I connect both in parallel, then we are going to get the band stop filter. Now let what is your low pass filter. Now let me connect low pass. This is R and C. This is your low pass filter. And what is your high pass filter? C and R. This is your high pass filter. Now we need to connect in parallel. How we will connect in parallel? Now let us see. This is your input and this is your output terminal. Now we need to connect to the input. See, this is the first input of first. This is your low pass filter. This whole block low pass. This is high pass. Now I connected to low pass. Then again input to high pass. The second input to low pass and second input to high pass. Now here there will be a jump. Now here if you want to connect first port output, the first port of high pass will be also output, second port here and your second port will be here. So we have connected, this is your RLCL and it is RSC. This will be your high pass, so this will be your C and this will be your R. This is your C and this is your R. So this will be your RH and this will be your CH, because this is your high pass filter. So this is your C and this is your RH. Now this is your input and this is your output. The upper one is low pass filter, the lower one is high pass filter. Now here what we have seen, the FCL is lesser than FCH. Now in band pass filter what we have seen? We have seen the FCH being lower. Here what we have seen, FCH is being lower than FCL, and here we are saying FCL is being lower than FCH. These are the 2 points we need to consider for design, and from the graph only it will be clear that which will be lower. Now it means that 1 by 2 pi RL. Here everywhere I have missed the 2 pi term, so keep 2 pi term. So 1 by 2 pi RCL must be less than 2 pi RH and CH. So this is the one that we must remember while designing this band stop filter. Now we have covered all the topic: band low pass, high pass, band stop and band pass filter.